Alright, today we're unboxing some Lowheat. I just got in from Feature. We are unboxing today some Adidas ZX 5000 sneakers. This I was very excited to get. Very excited when they announced this. This is part of their A through ZX series. You can see on the box kind of there you go, A through ZX series, where they go from A to Z, collaborating with different cultural touch points, as they say in the sneaker community. Sorry, this is gross. This is a sunburn. So the fitting story, I was hiking, camping in some national parks, and that's what these are. These are a collaboration with the National Parks Foundation. And I got these in while I was actually hiking and camping at Bryce Canyon National Park and Zion National Park. These, however, are inspired by Joshua Tree National Park, which I've been to multiple times. So, anyways, I'm a camper. I wouldn't say like an expert or anything, but I definitely camp multiple times a year. I like to go to national parks, so I was super hyped when Adidas announced they were doing this collaboration with the National Parks Foundation, which is the official charity partner with the National Park Service. And these, I think, are really dope. So they got like a Cordura upper, and the pictures online make them look different. In hand, these are a little more subtle, which I don't mind. They're a little bit more muted, and this actually fits the desert landscape of Joshua Tree better than actually the pictures. And online, these look brighter. Like all the pictures are a little more up to the saturation and stuff, but that's okay. I still think these are super dope. Here's the National Parks Foundation logo on the back. Yeah, these, I just think this is really cool. I wish that maybe some of the proceeds would go to the National Parks Foundation. I don't think that's the case. You know, it's just kind of good exposure for them, so that's probably what they're getting out of it. But I'm rocking some ZXs right now. Got these from Extra Butter, and they're kind of inspired by the Wes Anderson film Life Aquatic. But I'm excited to wear these. You always need you need hiking shoes, of course, when you're camping and hiking. But you got to get there by usually driving. And so I'm excited to use these as my everyday walking, driving, whatever shoes to get me to those destinations. Have these on foot when I go to the next national park, pull off a fit, get some photos, especially when next time I go to Joshua Tree. Joshua Tree is a great park, and yeah, so I was super stoked that Adidas did this collab. A lot of their A to ZX collaborations are pretty cool. The Juventus ones that are coming out right now. This is, by the way, a Velcro tab there. You got the I'm new at this, so I'm bad at showing off all the details. You got the National Parks Foundation liner in there. You got these little snap eyelet buttons. I really like digging the laces. The packaging is cool. This isn't on a ton of Adidas boxes. So I'm definitely stoked for this Lowheat. I think it got a little, some little traction, so a little torsion. But these aren't like Yeezys or anything, so they're not like super hype or anything. But I think these are so dope. This is different material, all sorts of different materials. Again, sorry, I'm kind of new at this, so gotta show off everything. But these are very. I like the ZX line. These like trainer runners. Super comfortable, especially just like in the, not just standing on them, but just inside. Your foot feels comfortable inside. There's lots of room, always more so on Adidas, as all you know. Adidas kind of like fits a little wider, so there's a little more roomy. And yeah, that's about it. I apologize for the sunburn, the dry skin, but comes with camping, which is appropriate for these shoes. So I hope you like it. Check out more Lowheat in the future.